safe. Don't give a what it takes. No, no, I'm on my grind. What they say. Ain't no lame diggins eating on my plate. Oh, no, 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 no.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in the life of a family of 10. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm up getting ready to drop my kids off to school and get the day started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy to be back home from vacation. I miss my family. We have a couple things to do today. I'm gonna do a little bit of laundry, grocery shopping. We're gonna go to the storage and I think sort out some stuff that we are not gonna keep and all that good stuff. So make sure y'all stay tuned for this vlog. Oh boy. Y'all see my skin? It's like peeling so bad. Crazy. But yeah. I did my wig when I came home from vacation. Shit. So I can have it done by Mother's Day. Oh, happy belated Mother's Day to all the mothers. I hope you guys had a good day. Well, Mother's Day is every day, but I just hope you enjoyed it a little bit extra. Yeah, I didn't record me installing this wig because I wasn't confident. But I really like it for the second attempt of installing my own wig. I just gotta do it more often, so I'm working on it. But the color came out nice, everything. I love it. So, let me see. This thing feel like it's not hot. I need a new flat iron. I mean, hot comb. This is good for the day. I know, so. It's been raining for like the past couple of days. It's crazy. Like, yeah. It's pot. I like when the front gives this. I don't know what's going on, but I just just like this style. I don't know why. It's just like, just like that. Real cute. I'm not into like the baby hairs and stuff like that too much because I don't know how to do them myself and I don't want to bother my kids. So it's plain and simple.
Who got clothes on the floor?
All right, guys. So I'm about to get out of here. Let me brush my teeth. This is all the hair supplies. I got 2 buckets. I have to separate it because everything was discombobulated when I packed up everything for vacation. I got 2 buckets. One is for dry hair products, and the other one is for like the wet ones, the sprays, and whatever else you need. Wet material to the bottom. And this is my makeup bag. I gotta put everything back in here. I also brought some new brushes and stuff like that. But I'll see you guys when we get in the car. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Nevaeh and Princess.
I didn't know. Hi.
Good morning, guys. So, yeah. Well, I already said good morning. We on our way to school. Oh my God. There is so much traffic. Y'all see I got my glasses back because I cannot see at night. My nose is so sore. Oh, Daddy, the boys in London is in the other car right here in front of us. We're taking 2 cars because we're gonna separate the stuff in the storage. Whatever we don't want, we're gonna bring it home. Yeah, we're gonna try to sell some stuff too as well. I'm gonna try to show y'all what we got briefly. If anybody interested in the New York City area, we'll ship it to you, or maybe even bring it to you or something like that. But yeah, we have like so much stuff. So I'll see you guys once I drop off the kids at school, and I think we're going to Starbucks. Alright, so we headed to Starbucks. Um, y'all comment down below what drinks do y'all get. I always get the cafe vanilla frap, and Chris sometimes get the caramel crunch. So let's see. Oh wait, can I have a grande caramel ribbon crunch and then a venti cafe vanilla frap? That's it. B. B. Okay, guys, here at Lowe's. Coming to get my 2 to 3 items, and that's it. So we need Febreze spray. Yeah, the pink one. I like the downy smelling one, but this is all they have. So I guess this is the next best game. We also need laundry detergent and downy. Let's see what they have. Gonna need some OxyClean and some downy. Now we just need the bags. Forgot. Forgot where they have the bags. Oh, it's right here. $18. All right, that is it.
that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Sit down, you sit down, you sit down, you sit down, you. Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light. push that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been skimming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important.
Sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you. Like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the
gotta find for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back.